Hi, I'm Mark and welcome to Lloyd Land Rover Stockton. Today we've got an ex-management car, which is a D250 3 litre X-Dynamic Defender 90 HSE. Finished in the premium Carpathian grey with a black pack, which gives you the black badging, the black surrounding on the front valance, around the surrounds of the front headlights. Also got the black 22-inch gloss black wheels. With it being X-Dynamic, you can see the black pack continues all the way through the rear of the below of the door, the mirror caps. It's got the air post, which is all gloss black, moving across into the black contrast roof. Stunning car. We've put the side steps in the front and rear mud flaps on as extra, and as we come round the back, you can see the gloss black just continues around the rear valance, accompanied by the spare wheel cover in gloss black. Plenty of space in the Defender 90. Good thing with the 3 seats in the rear, sometimes this does get in your way of the rear view, so you can just pop that down if you've only got 2 passengers, which makes it much easier to see. But you've also, on top, you've got the 360 surround cameras and the reversing camera, just makes it really easy to manoeuvre. So on Defender 90, sorry, we've put the ladder on as an extra as well, which is a great aesthetic feature. So with the 90, hence the side steps, you sit on the side, stand on the side step, dead easy to get into the rear, but look how much space is in the rear of there. It's really easy just to pop that seat back. It's got Meridian signature surround, which is a fantastic sound system, and then if I just go around to the other side, car was registered in March, and at the moment it's only done 1,300 miles. It's going live on the website today. So normal features as you would get in the Defender, which is cruise control, automatic headlights, reversing camera, climate control, which is dual zone. But a couple of extras what you would get with the X-Dynamic HSE is cooled seats. Also got the heated seats, heated front screen, and the nice Pivy Pro as well. Heated steering wheel, memory seats on the driver's side, and then if you look up, it's got the tilt and slide panoramic roof, which is a great feature to let light in. Lovely car, no wear and tear, ex-management car. It's up on the website today. If you're interested, just call in or give us a call on 01642 644 444.